I stand here today, close to graduation, feeling nothing but gratitude towards Marist and all the people here who have truly become my family.
Marist has always been more than a college to me. It is a community of people who share the common goal of trying to help others succeed.
We are a young university, but we are quickly making a difference in the world.
I can assure you that if you are intellectually curious, you will find a home here.
I've been able to work on several independent research projects with a professor of my choosing.
My time at Marist was really about exploration. I was a leader in the Black Student Union. I wrote editorials for the newspaper, The Circle.
I flew to Costa Rica to study sustainable human development for the fall of my senior year.
I embarked on one of the greatest journeys of my life, my semester abroad in Florence, Italy.
And in between all of that, I completed 3 internships in radio and television.
I was able to secure a paid internship for the summer after my sophomore year.
I worked with Sina Kutza on a pedestrian needs assessment for the city of Poughkeepsie.
I've had a front row seat to history, covering presidential elections, inaugurations, Super Bowls, Olympics.
I was afforded this academic flexibility only because of Marist's devotion to making sure I got the most out of my college experience.
The best reason to come to Marist is the people and the family that you will join.
What you will find at Marist is a family of people who will go above and beyond to help you learn, grow, and challenge yourself.
Marist was the right choice and has prepared me for whatever lies ahead. The past 4 years could not have been spent in a better place. Thank you and welcome to the family.